a crypto market downturn, not winning, is still being felt across multiple agencies, including possibly the biggest one, Coinbase. They announced another reduction of their workforce around 20%. That's 950 employees. CEO Brian Armstrong noted they should have cut more than they did back in September, and that the industry has a black eye from FTX fallout, with more shoes likely to drop. Garrett, do you see the digital asset market rebounding anytime soon?
End of the third quarter, possibly the fourth quarter. I think that if you're going to be a crypto investor or a speculator right now, I have no problem buying at Bitcoin at $17,400, but you better be ready to cut it at 15,000, because if it starts going below 15,000, that's where the whales start to liquidate. So there's a lot of challenges here moving forward. Again, the Fed's raising rates. You have other central banks around the globe. There's still a lot of uncertainty. There may be some black swans out there. And remember that if there is some sort of major liquidation event, liquidity event around the world, as the Fed is cutting its balance sheet, Bitcoin is a liquid asset that can be used as collateral and also can be used for, to cover margin. So, I look at this, I still think on the backside, if this situation does not change, if we say it's 17,000 for the rest of maybe the next 6 months, I think on the backside, Bitcoin possibly first quarter 2024, you're looking at about $25,000.
All right, so a little rebound there in Bitcoin expected in the future. And Garrett said 15,000, that's the liquidation level. So right now we're around 17.5. Kenny, you seeing any VWAP trades in coin?
That was awesome yesterday. Again, I love counterintuitive trades. You had them talking about laying off people and everybody was all upset, but stock broke VWAP and, it was a pretty good one. Yesterday you had a target of 41.50. It overshot it by, $2, but where my money's at right now. Look at my screen. Come on. Worthless biotech stocks. Come on, baby. That's what we're talking about today. I love these stocks. I mean, they're just insane. They're really insane.
Bior. I saw Boston's Mindy talking about Bior. What happened there, Kenny?
Well, it just plummeted, and now some of us just bought it back. So, BIOR. Stocks, again, it'll probably be 2 cents within a couple of days from now, but while the getting is good, let's get some.
Bior, does that make that gross tape you put on your nose that pulls out all the blackheads?
Maybe.
Is that what that is?
Maybe. It doesn't matter.
Strip.
It doesn't matter. Exactly.
Oh, God.
I was just calling it Christian Dior yesterday. It doesn't matter anymore. It doesn't matter.
Oh, my God, Mark, I forgot about those.
Yeah, Dior is
gross.
Yeah.
But
I'd rather trade Coinbase. But look, if you guys look at my chart, Coinbase was really, really nice yesterday because look, once it got done chopping around in the morning and you got really some nice chop, it resolved itself to a late day breakout, and that was one of my favorite VWAP trades. And all the consolidation leads to a late day move. You just join in, and you went right back to the highs from the pre-market, and that was the trade that we put on. So yeah, I'd rather trade the Coinbases than these biotech stocks, but listen, VWAP's working well with these names. We could chase them and we could trade them, but remember, don't have any illusions or delusions, kids. Most of these stocks will inevitably be zero and delisted, okay? None of them have any value at all. So be careful, please.